Welcome to Pure Vital Life. Today, we explore a powerful system to naturally build, protect, and maintain your youthful collagen daily. Many people spend a fortune on expensive collagen powders, but true skin health begins with a smart, holistic, and natural approach. Instead of just consuming isolated supplements, we must focus on a comprehensive framework of building, protecting, and maintaining our cellular structures. This complete system relies on natural ingredients that work synergistically to restore your skin elasticity, strengthen hair, and support joint health. Let us dive into the ultimate secret of slowing down aging, starting with the most crucial foundation of our structural vitality. The primary building block of this entire system is gelatin, often considered the exact biological twin of the famous collagen protein. Basically, gelatin is just cooked collagen, making it incredibly easy for your body to absorb and utilize for immediate tissue repair. When you consume gelatin, it breaks down into essential amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, which your body desperately needs. These specific amino acids act as the fundamental bricks, directly forming new collagen fibers within your skin, bones, and connective tissues. Historically, our ancestors naturally obtained abundant gelatin through their traditional diets by consuming nutrient-dense bone broth, animal skins, and tendons. Today, we often discard these rich parts, leading to a massive deficiency in the exact nutrients required for maintaining youthful skin. By reintroducing high-quality gelatin into your daily routine, you provide your body with the exact raw materials needed for regeneration. Imagine gelatin as the sturdy bricks of a beautiful house, laying down a strong, resilient foundation for your entire biological framework. However, simply providing the bricks is never enough if you do not have the right tools and protection for the construction. Your newly formed collagen remains highly vulnerable to daily environmental stress, harmful ultraviolet radiation, and damaging free radicals in your body. Without proper defense mechanisms, the collagen you work so hard to build will quickly degrade, leading to premature wrinkles and aging. This is exactly where our first vital herbal ally steps in to offer unparalleled protection and support for your delicate skin. Enter the incredible chia seed, a tiny but mighty superfood packed with essential nutrients, healthy fats, and powerful natural antioxidant compounds. Chia seeds deliver an immense amount of potent antioxidants that actively shield your existing collagen network from aggressive oxidative stress damage. They act like a protective shield, neutralizing harmful free radicals before they can break down the precious collagen fibers inside you. Beyond simple protection, these tiny seeds provide crucial trace minerals like zinc and copper, which are absolutely essential for tissue repair. Zinc and copper function as the specialized tools that activate the specific enzymes responsible for assembling those gelatin bricks into collagen. Without these vital mineral tools, your body cannot efficiently synthesize new collagen, no matter how much gelatin you consume every day. Adding just a spoonful of chia seeds to your diet ensures that your internal construction workers have everything they truly need. Now that we have the strong bricks and the tools, we must focus on creating the perfect environment for these structures.
Collagen fibers require a deeply hydrated and supple environment to maintain their natural elasticity, strength, and overall youthful appearance over time. If your internal environment becomes too dry, the collagen network becomes brittle, stiff, and highly prone to breaking and rapid degradation. To solve this critical hydration problem, we turn to our second incredible herbal ally, known traditionally as the beautiful white fungus. White fungus has been cherished in ancient beauty traditions for centuries due to its remarkable ability to deeply hydrate human skin. This fascinating natural ingredient is incredibly rich in unique polysaccharide chains that draw and lock massive amounts of moisture into cells. These powerful polysaccharides act very much like a natural hyaluronic acid, holding water tightly within the deeper layers of your skin. By providing profound internal hydration, white fungus creates the ideal, plump, moist environment where your collagen fibers can truly thrive beautifully. Imagine a dry sponge versus a wet sponge. The wet sponge is flexible, bouncy, and highly resistant to tearing and damage. That is exactly what white fungus does for your connective tissues, ensuring your skin remains incredibly soft, supple, and delightfully elastic. Consuming a warm, soothing bowl of white fungus soup is like giving your entire body a luxurious, deep moisturizing spa treatment. But our comprehensive system of building, protecting, and maintaining requires one final extraordinary ingredient to seal in all these amazing benefits. This brings us to our third powerful herbal ally, a remarkable natural resin commonly known in traditional medicine as peach gum. Harvested directly from the bark of wild peach trees, this golden crystal-like substance is an absolute treasure for cellular rejuvenation. Much like white fungus, peach gum is exceptionally effective at maintaining optimal moisture levels throughout your entire internal biological tissue network. However, peach gum offers an additional, highly crucial benefit. It possesses incredibly potent natural anti-inflammatory properties that soothe your body. Chronic internal inflammation is one of the primary triggers that silently signals your body to aggressively break down healthy tissue structures. By significantly reducing the systemic inflammation, peach gum effectively halts the destructive signals that constantly threaten your precious, newly formed collagen. It essentially calms the internal environment, ensuring that the collagen you have carefully built remains completely safe, stable, and highly functional. Together, white fungus and peach gum form an unstoppable duo, guaranteeing that your skin stays perpetually hydrated, calm, and perfectly smooth. Now, let us look at the ultimate practical strategy for seamlessly integrating this entire powerful system into your daily nutritional lifestyle. The true magic happens when you intelligently combine all these specific elements into a single, cohesive, and delicious daily wellness routine. You start by sourcing high-quality grass-fed gelatin to serve as the fundamental raw material for your internal structural rebuilding. You can easily dissolve this gelatin in warm teas, nutritious soups, or even create healthy fruit-flavored gummies for a snack. Next, you incorporate a generous spoonful of soaked chia seeds into your morning smoothies, oatmeal bowls, or refreshing daily hydration drinks. This ensures a steady supply of protective antioxidants and the essential mineral tools required for optimal daily collagen synthesis and assembly. Finally, you prepare a comforting traditional dessert soup using soaked white fungus and golden peach gum, gently simmered to absolute perfection. Consuming this hydrating mixture a few times a week will dramatically transform the moisture levels of your skin from the inside. This holistic approach completely shifts the paradigm from simply taking random supplements to actively managing your complex structural support body system. You are no longer just hoping for better skin. You are strategically engineering it through smart, targeted, and natural nutritional choices. Think of this routine as a beautiful symphony where every single ingredient plays a vital role in creating perfect biological harmony. The gelatin provides the strong bricks, the chia seeds supply the necessary tools, and the herbs create the perfect nurturing internal environment. Over time, this consistent practice will yield visible, undeniable results that far surpass the temporary effects of expensive topical cosmetic creams. You will begin to notice that your skin feels significantly firmer, naturally plumper, and radiates a genuinely healthy, youthful, vibrant glow. Furthermore, your hair will grow noticeably thicker and stronger, while your nails will stop breaking and splitting with such frustrating frequency. Beyond mere aesthetics, this profound system also works wonders for your internal health, particularly in supporting and lubricating your aging joints. The abundant amino acids from gelatin help rebuild worn-out cartilage, while the deep hydration from the herbs keeps joints flexible. You will likely experience a significant reduction in joint stiffness and discomfort, allowing you to move with much greater physical freedom. This is the true essence of holistic wellness, achieving radiant external beauty as a direct reflection of vibrant, robust internal health. It is important to remember that natural healing and structural rebuilding requires patience, consistency, and a deep commitment to your body. You cannot expect overnight miracles, but with steady dedication to the system, the long-term transformative benefits will be absolutely, truly remarkable. Start slowly by introducing one element at a time, perhaps beginning with a simple daily serving of pure natural gelatin powder. Once you establish that foundational habit, gradually weave in the protective chia seeds to enhance your body's natural defense and repair. Finally, explore the wonderful world of traditional herbal hydration by preparing soothing, deeply nourishing bowls of white fungus and peach gum. As you embrace this comprehensive lifestyle, you will develop a profound appreciation for the incredible healing power of simple, natural foods. Your body is an amazing, self-regenerating masterpiece, and it only needs the correct raw materials and environment to function well. By adopting the build, protect, and maintain philosophy, you empower yourself to take full control of your aging process and vitality. Let go of the endless search for quick fixes and instead trust in the proven, enduring wisdom of holistic nutritional science. Nourish your foundation with gelatin, arm your defenses with chia, and cultivate a lush, hydrated internal landscape with these beautiful herbs. Embrace this journey towards optimal health and watch as your entire being transforms into a radiant expression of pure, enduring vitality. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, vibrant, and beautiful. Do not forget to subscribe to Pure Vital Life for more secrets.